Understanding, Find a Registry, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the phrase, find a registry. This is a common phrase you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage is crucial for effective communication. Let's explore this together. The phrase, find a registry, typically refers to the action of locating a list or database, often used for specific purposes like weddings, baby showers, or charities. A registry is a collection of items or data that people can choose from. For example, in a wedding registry, couples list items they wish to receive as gifts. You can come across this phrase in several scenarios. 1. Online shopping. Many retail websites have a section where you can find registries. 2. Event planning. While organizing events like weddings or baby showers, you might need to find a registry to select a gift. 3. Institutions. Sometimes, institutions like libraries or government offices use registries for record keeping. Let's look at some examples. I need to find a registry to pick a wedding gift for my friend. Can you help me find the registry for the charity event? I'm not sure how to find their registry online. Can you guide me? I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, find a registry, and its usage in everyday English. Remember, understanding these common phrases can significantly improve your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.